The mix effect has to be applied to very clean smooth surface. Apply one coat of primer RV and leave to dry for at least 24 hours. Spread one coat of white Encaustic Fiorentino with a stainless steel float. After about 10 to 15 minutes, with a plastic float, go back over the surface in circular directions in such a way that the grains of the Encaustic Fiorentino leave circular designs. When finished, apply one coat of Velatura Neutral with a paintbrush and then spread it in circular direction with a stiff sponge float and leave it to dry. Then apply the colored Velatura using the same method.